How to fix the media keeps stopping issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, again tap on this apps option and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now here click on reset app preferences and then from this pop-up again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset the app preferences for all the disabled apps, disable app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps and permission restrictions. But after resetting all these preferences, you will not lose any app data. So tap on reset, and when you will tap on reset, it will fix your issue. But if you are still facing the issue after resetting the app preferences, then open settings again for the second solution. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates. Now tap on software update, and from here, if you have not updated your mobile software to the latest version, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating the mobile's software, it will help you to fix the media keeps stopping issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and this time tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and then again tap on reset all settings option again on the bottom of your screen. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So reset all your mobile settings, and after resetting the settings, the media keeps stopping issue error will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on your Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.